Hello students, it's Mr. Child here with another video tutorial. This time we are going to explore how to use Wikispaces. So first step would be navigating to Mr. Child's website. As you can see, we are there right now. And on the left side of the menu you see a link to Mr. Child's Wikispace. Click it and it'll take you to an embedded page right here. Click the home page and it'll take you right here. You can see my Wikispace page right here. So the first step we need to do once we are there is we need to log in. So in the upper right hand corner we have the sign in, and we are going to sign in using the Glogster username that I have created for you guys, which would be the letters NOM for Nativity of Mary plus your Google account name, which would be the first initial of your first name with your last name. So NOM, and then I am borrowing an 8th grade student's username for this project, as 8th grade will be using this first. They have a project on Europe on Wikispaces. So once you have signed in, the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your specific grade wiki page. So signed in as an 8th grader, I'm going to the 8th grade page, and then you'll see all of your classmates right there, and you need to click on your name. Today I'm Valerie, and then this would be her individual wiki page, and all of your pages will look like this with all of your projects that you have done so far this year. So once you are on your own wiki page, you need to go to your specific project that you are working on. So for 8th grade that will be the Europe wiki project. You can see the templates that I have created for them right here. And the next step is to edit the page, in which you click the edit button in the upper right part of the screen, and then you are in the editing mode. And the first thing you notice is there is a text or a toolbar very similar to that in Glogster, and I will show you how you'll use this to manipulate and edit the text in a way that will meet the grading rubric for your particular project. So just some common buttons to show you, obviously to bold, italicize, to underline. This would be style text editor here, where you can change the font, you can change the size of the text, the color, the background color, alignment, and some other things that we probably won't use. Obviously click apply styles to apply any changes that you might make. We didn't make any changes, so we're going to skip that. The heading button. There are different types of heading buttons for a table of contents. You see this gray box right here is a widget that I have embedded in many of your templates, and it will automatically take you to certain parts of your page. So make sure you double check the directions or in the grading rubric, make sure you have the proper heading size. So that would be a heading 1, this would be a heading 2, that would be a heading 2, and then like the text would be normal size text. So make sure you have the normal heading setting. This would be a numbering button. Probably will not use that. Bullet points, probably won't use that. This is a line tool. You can see I already have inserted a couple lines, so you may use that. Links, we won't be linking to anything. File button, this is where you insert images. So you don't have any images on your Chromebook, so you will be uploading them through an external image, the external image right here. So you're going to click external image, and what you're going to do is you are going to paste in a URL address of the image you want to upload. So I've done a Google image search of my favorite hockey player, Hendrik Zetterberg, of the Detroit Red Wings. Click on a picture that I like, and when you click on it, you're going to have these options come up. And you want to go to View Image, because it will create a URL address, which you see right here, that only has that image. Okay? There's nothing on the page except for that picture. So you want to select all that URL address. You want to hit Control C. You want to go back to your Wikispace page. Click in the box, and you're going to go Control V to paste it in there. Click Load. And you're going to see a thumbnail of your image. Now, to insert it into your wiki, you're going to double click it. And there it is. And then you have this picture editing box that will come up, and it'll help you align it. Also shrink the size if you want. You can remove the file. You can add a link to an outside resource or document, and you can also add a caption. Now, for all images in a Wikispace project, I want you to include a caption describing what is happening in the photograph, how is it related to your project, that type of thing. And you do that by clicking this button, and then you would add your caption, click Save, and then you're done. But because I don't want this picture right here, so I'm just going to remove File, remove the picture, and return it back to the way it was before I inserted it. So that is the File button. That's how you insert images. The widgets, again, you won't be using that for any projects. Insert table, won't be using that. There is an undo button, so if I wanted to undo deleting that picture, I can do that, or if I want to redo deleting it, I can hit the redo. The preview button is important to find out that everything is positioned correctly, especially with the table of contents. Notice how I said that title was heading 1, and then topic 1, 2, 3, and references, or under heading 2, and that's how it would appear when you save it. So continue back to editing. Hit cancel means you did not want to save anything that you did to your wiki page at that moment. If you get canceled, anything that you typed, any pictures that you inserted into your wiki will be lost. It will not be saved. Wikispace does not save automatically. If you want it to save, you have to click the Save button, click Save, and there it is. No changes have been made to the page. I didn't change the page in any way. And that's it. That's essentially how you use Wikispaces. Don't forget to log out. You can log out by clicking the Sign Out button here. And there you go. And that is how we will be using Wikispaces in Mr. Stroud's classroom. If you have any questions or comments or concerns or anything like that, don't be afraid to ask or email me. And as John Green and Mr. Stroud say, don't forget to be awesome. We'll see you next time.